Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good week, and welcome to this new video. On Aave here, wanted to do a full update. We'll take a look at the technicals. We'll talk about some fundamentals as well. Aave has been one of the strongest cryptos out there in the last month or so. I mean, if you look at the last month for Aave, we are up a shocking 75% from the bottom to the top. All right. And luckily, we were in the Signal group we were also able to buy Aave at $95. We bought it right here, the 12th of August. And that has been, to be fair, that has been my best trade, I think, in the last month. We had some other good trades, but this is absolutely a solid trade. And what you saw back then is already that we were forming a bullish market structure, right? You already saw some strong momentum here in July, and then by breaking above 115, we solidified that bullish market structure, and that is still going on right now. We're looking at the daily time frame, and what you can very clearly see is a very strong uptrend here. So technically, Aave is very, very bullish, or Aave, whatever you want to call the project. I've never known. So that has been very bullish, but there are also some interesting fundamentals, right? I talked about that in the last video I did on Aave as well, but unfortunately not a lot of people watch these videos. Not a lot of people are interested in Aave, or at least were interested in Aave. Maybe that has changed, but no. If you don't know, I believe Donald Trump's son and the team around him are building a cryptocurrency project. That cryptocurrency project is built not directly on Aave, but it's built like Aave. I think it's a fork of Aave. There are multiple forks of Aave, but this is supposed to be special, and it's obviously tied to Trump. Which already makes it more interesting. So therefore, Aave has been bullish. And fundamentally, Aave is just a solid project. They make over $40 million a year. Massive fees. They have a big treasury. So this is when we're talking about projects. And they have $18.6 billion in total value locked. So when we're talking about projects, this is just a solid crypto project with real utility that's actually being used. And that's making money. So the fundamentals are strong. And then yesterday, ahead of the debate, we were able to break above a significant resistance level here, around 145. Now, the question now is it already enough to break above 145? Or if you historically look at it, do we actually have to break a little bit higher here, more towards 155 and 160 to break above that major resistance level? And that is something we will have to see, all right? Because you could argue that we have now just hit the resistance level, and that and that breaking above that hasn't happened yet. We are respecting some sort of a level right here, and we have gotten some sort of a breakout. But that's the main question now, all right? Can we actually, after getting this relatively strong bullish breakout, can we turn this into a continuation of the uptrend? And that is something we will see. I mean, honestly, at this point of time, Aave is still ridiculously strong. The momentum has increased a ton here. We've seen some massive buys coming in yesterday. At some point of time, we are going to get a bigger pullback. But as long as we're able to hold 144 here, we are very, very bullish. All right, there's just no other way to look at it. When we're looking at some sort of an Elliott wave theory, what I would argue is that we are in. Oh, excuse me, that's a corrective wave. I would say we are in some sort of a fourth wave. So I do think we'll reach some major resistance soon, around 160 and 165. But again, as long as we're able to hold that level, then we'll just get into some sort of a correction wave here. But then it's going to be fine because we are still bullish. So those are my thoughts for now. I do think, so my thoughts for now, if my trading view works with me, are that we just broke out. We got a very bullish market structure. I do think we'll pull back here. But after that pullback, and after perhaps some sort of a consolidation here, I do also expect us to continue that bullish momentum, right? So do something like this here, but then regain some momentum, break above 160, and start aiming for 175 and those 190s. those are my thoughts for now. I must say that 145 is a very important level to watch. If for some reason Bitcoin is not able to hold its support level, I think that level is in danger as well. And if that level gives up, then all of a sudden we could be in for a bigger pullback into the 130s. So be mindful for that. But for now, I'm still very bullish on Aave, and I don't really see any reason yet. Also looking at how it's holding up right here, I don't really see any reason yet to turn bearish on this. Unless, like I said, 145 breaks while the market also turns more bearish. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, I think this is what you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.